Without a doubt, summer is the perfect time to be outdoors. Fresh air, beautiful sunshine. Here to make sure we have the right tools to enjoy our outdoor activities is MaryLynn Karpicki from Victorinox Swiss Army. Thanks for joining us, MaryLynn.
Thanks for having me.
Well, when you're ready to go camping or hiking, every outdoor must-have is the familiar red handle with the cross and shield. There's not anyone who doesn't know about the iconic Swiss Army knife.
That's right. Victorinox Swiss Army has been making the finest blades in the world since 1884. In fact, they were actually a cutlery manufacturer way before the pocket knife was made. Master cutler Karl Elsner's great-great-great-grandson Charles still runs the operation today in Ebach, Switzerland.
Now, this is the Swiss Army knife I remember from my childhood. Can you tell us about it?
This particular model is called the Huntsman. It is 91 millimeters or 3.5 inches in length, and it has 15 implements. Some of the key implements are the wood saw, the scissor, and the large blade. It truly is a working horse for the outdoor world.
It's perfect for every lifestyle, especially the outdoors like we're enjoying today.
That's right.
You know, I've noticed a lot of our crew members use your multi-tool. Can you tell us about that?
This particular model is called the Swiss Tool Spirit X, and it is one in a series of 9 in the complete series. And this particular model has the wood saw, the large blade, the scissor, and the handy bottle opener. Morgan, currently the Swiss Tool Spirit X is being tested by various consumer groups. When they put it to the test, they love the feel, the durability, and the Swiss engineering. All our products are Swiss made, and I'm proud to say that we stand by our products 100% with a lifetime warranty against any manufacturer defect.
Well, that is definitely good to know. MaryLynn, can you tell our viewers where they can find the wonderful Victorinox Swiss Army products you've shown us here today?
Easy, Morgan. SwissArmy.com. You can buy direct from us, or you can go to our dealer locator, put your zip code in, and find your favorite dealer right in your area.
3 screen.